You failed to prove your rights were violated. Court tells Kanu. Good morning, everyone, and thank you all for tuning in and listening to this headline that we got your ears this morning. As our headline for this morning says here that you failed to prove your rights were violated, as the court tells Kanu. We argue that it was not a good day for the leader of the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, at the court on Monday, as the trial judge concluded he failed to prove that the state had violated his fundamental human rights. Justice James Osoto Osho of the Federal High Court, Abuja, delivering his verdict in a suit brought before him by Kanu, says it has not been established by Kanu's lawyer how the Directorate of State Security violated his rights. Kanu, in a suit, is seeking 1 billion naira in damages from the Attorney General of the Federation and Department of State Services for alleged rights violation. Kanu, in a suit, claimed that the DSS and the Director General violated his right to a fair hearing by allegedly preventing his lawyers from having unhindered interactions with him, where he is being detained in a preparation for his defense in his criminal trial. Omo Tosho, while delivering a judgment on the suit, held that Kanu failed to provide credible evidence to sustain his claims that his interactions with the lawyers were interfered with, that he was denied unhindered access to his lawyers, and that DSS officials eavesdropped on his conversation with his lawyers, which constitutes a breach of his right to a fair hearing. Kanu had, in an originating motion dated December 4, 2023, sued the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the AGF and DSS, and the DG as first to the fourth respondent respectively. His lawyer, Aloy Jimako, had demanded the enforcement of his fundamental rights while in the custody of the DSS. The suit was filed under Order 2 Rules 1 and 2 of the Fundamental Rights Enforcement Procedure, Rules 2009, amongst others. Kanu had prayed for a declaration that the respondent's act of forcible seizure and photocopying of confidential legal documents about facilitating the preparation of his defense, which were brought to him at the respondent detention facility by his lawyers, amounted to a denial of his right to be defended by legal practitioners of his own choice. He also sought a declaration that the respondent's act of refusing or preventing his counsel from taking note of details of the counsel's professional decisions, consultations with him at DSS detention is unlawful and amounts to a denial of his right to be given adequate facilities for the preparation of his defense by legal practitioners of his own choice. And that is all we have for you concerning this headline this morning, which says here that you failed to prove your rights were violated, as the court tells Kanu. Well, you guys had this for me this morning because Wala is happening. The country is shaking. As our headline for this morning is telling you this. And before I move on, don't forget, if you're not a subscriber to this channel, don't forget to tap that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and leave a like on this video to get more updates concerning this in the nearest future to come. Because I cannot believe the Federal High Court in Abuja is telling Kanu that you failed to prove that his rights were violated. Do you know how many times Kanu spoke up concerning this? And now they're telling that he failed to prove. He proved that. Jesus Christ. I don't just know if they hate this man, if they just have this hatred to this man. Seriously. According to this headline, it says it was not a good day for the IPOB leader, Nnamdi Kanu, at the court on Monday. The trial judge concluded that Nnamdi Kanu failed to prove that the state had violated his fundamental human rights. He didn't fail to prove that. He has been complaining that they are obstructing his rights for a fair hearing. That the DSS are obstructing his right for a fair hearing. He didn't say it once, he didn't say it twice, he didn't say it thrice. He didn't even say it 4 times. He has been complaining. Even Aloy Jimako jumped into that too. Because I cannot believe that the lawyers, when they came to meet Nnamdi Kanu concerning the hearing, how they would go about things, the DSS did not allow them to enter inside at all. They don't give the lawyers access to see Nnamdi Kanu. That is one. And a day when the lawyers were speaking with Nnamdi Kanu, they put eavesdropping machines near them in the room so they can hear and see what is happening. That's two. And also concerning his health, the DSS they know that he was dying. They did not do anything. They didn't do anything to make sure that he will be in good shape of health. That's three. And he said these three. He brought these three matters to the court millions of times. He was telling Justice Binta one call that this is what is happening. This is that and that. And now this man, doc, what is his name again? Is it not James? Justice James? Yeah. Abi, yeah. He says that Nnamdi Kanu failed to bring evidence to show that his rights was that to bring evidence to show that the DSS did not allow him to have unhindered to did not allow him to see his lawyer, or the DSS put eavesdropping machines in the room to hear what they're saying, or did not give him adequate. That's a lie. What evidence do you expect Nnamdi Kanu to bring? What evidence do you expect a prisoner to bring? This is not right. This is not right. This is one of the things I think that this is one of the violations of his own rights. For this letter, and Alaji McCall demanded the enforcement of his fundamental rights while in the custody of his DSS. Yes, he demanded that his fundamental right must be the number one priority. But the DSS they treated him as trash. They treated him as trash. I don't just understand these people anymore. I don't understand the judiciary of this country anymore. They are saying that he failed to bring evidence to prove that all this is saying is true. What evidence do you expect a prisoner to bring? What evidence? After he complained, because he claimed that the DSS and the Director General violated his rights. Kanu speaking, and a fair hearing by allegedly preventing his lawyers from having unhindered interactions with him. And Omotosho, that's his name. While delivering the judgment, he said that Kanu failed to provide evidence to sustain his claim, that his interaction with the lawyer were interfered with, that he was denied unhindered access to his lawyers. What else must you guys demand before you know that this is an innocent man talking? What else must he prove to show that this man is innocent? This is not right, though. This is not right. This is not right at all. No. I can't. No, I don't support this. What do you guys think? Let me see your comment below in the comment section. Don't forget to leave a like on this video. Then tap that subscribe button as the big red one and the notification bell, so that anytime I have any new video concerning this, you'll be the first to get notified about it. Once again, thank you for tuning in and have a wonderful day ahead of you.